Hello everyone, welcome to our Music and Arts 8 class. Now, let us discuss the Quarter 1, Lesson 2 for Week 3 and 4, the Cultural Homogenization. Learning competency. Analyze the cultural influences, relationships, and characteristics, similarities and differences of emerging and contemporary concepts, techniques, processes, and or practices in various Asian popular, performing, and visual arts. Learning objectives. Number 1. Characterize commonalities of art of Asian countries in terms of cultural influences, relationships, and characteristics. Number 2. Relate the characteristics of performance and visual arts in Asia. Number 3. Explain emerging and contemporary concepts, techniques, processes, and or practices in various Asian performing and visual arts. For pre-assessment, kindly answer the following question. Now, let us unlock content vocabulary. First word, homogenization, an aspect of cultural globalization and refers to the reduction in cultural diversity through the popularization and diffusion of a wide array of customs, ideas, and values. Sa Tagalog, ang ibig sabihin ng homogenization ay pag-iisa ng ating kultura o pagkakapantay-pantay ng kultura. Explicitation. Characterize commonalities of Asian performance and visual arts and its cultural influences, relationship, and characteristics. Asian influences encompasses a vast array of cultural, artistic, philosophical, and societal elements that have originated from or been influenced by the diverse cultures across the Asian continent. Asianness. It refers to the surge of popular culture, including anime, K-pop, manga, and others in other countries, as well as non-Asian countries creating their own Asian popular culture as a commercial response. K-pop of Indonesia and Thailand, as South Korean entertainment continues to take Indonesia by storm, more South Korean companies are leveraging the popularity of K-pop artists to tap into Southeast Asia's largest market. The number of K-pop fans in Indonesia is exploding, and the country always ranks among top in the number of video views on YouTube. Many Indonesians become familiar with traditional dances at an early age, which many explain why K-pop's unique choreography has caught the eye of so many. The wave of Korean pop culture has fully engulfed that youth society with a proliferation of popular music, drama, language, technology, cartoons, and cuisine. Among Thai artists is Lisa of Blackpink. She is the first Thai to achieve superstardom in the K-pop genre, which has taken the world by storm over the past decade. J-pop of Vietnam. Its unique blend of catchy melodies, vibrant visuals, and diverse music styles continue to attract fans and contribute to Vietnam's multicultural music landscape. They are the Tokyo Girls. Japanese labels and musicians have already taken note of the development, intersecting with creators from other countries. Lesson activity, article reading, introducing BINI, the newest P-pop group. Marami sa atin ang nakakakilala na sa kanila na subaybayan ang kanilang paglago sa industriya na tinatahak nila ngayon. Ngayon, basahin natin kung paano nga ba sila nakilala. As K-pop continues to dominate pop culture with their increasing dominance in the Western music market, the new Hallyu wave is starting to influence the Pinoy music scene. SB19 is one of the most popular P-pop boy band groups right now as their K-pop inspired songs, music videos, and choreography brought a breath of fresh air to the P-pop scene, much to the displeasure of a certain beauty queen. To address this current trend in P-pop, ABS-CBN's training agency Star Hunt Academy announced their latest P-pop girl group, BINI, on November 7. What is BINI? Described as a rookie girl group, in the press release announcing the group, the PR arm of ABS-CBN said that BINI is a group composed of 8 vibrant young individuals who embody the idea of a modern Filipina, sweet, fierce, independent, and informed. Joanna, who is one of the members of the group, said that the name of the group is based on the Tagalog word "bini-bini", meaning young lady. Joanna hopes that Bini would embody the values of the modern Filipina. Fellow member Sheena said that Bini wanted to showcase their talents and represent the Philippines on a global scale. Joining Joanna and Sheena as members of Bini are Aya, Colette, Maloy, Gwen, Stacy, and Mika. What is Bini? While ABS-CBN didn't mention the roles of each member, it revealed Aya as the oldest member at age 19, while Joanna and Sheena are the youngest members at age of 16. While Beanie hasn't made their official debut yet, the group already made traction online. Before the announcement of the group's pre-debut, a compilation video of their dance covers to various K-pop songs, including Blackpink's How You Like That and Twice, More and More, garnered 141,901 viewers on the Philippine K-pop Convention's YouTube channel as of November 27, 2020. How did Beanie become popular? Uploaded on August 28, 2020, the group were still called the Star Hunt Academy Girl Trainees. Beanie released the music video of their pre-debut single, The Coconut Nut, on November 20, which is a cover of Ryan Cayabyab's novelty hit popularized by Smoking Mountain in the 90s. MU Doctor and VO3E produced the pre-debut single, which the press release stated that they transformed the 90s novelty hit to a dance ditty worthy of the current P-pop scene. With their vibrant, cutesy, colorful concept, Beanie is obviously influenced by K-pop girl groups such as Twice and G-Friend, which popularized the teen crush concept. Beanie made their stage debut performance in the noontime variety show It's Showtime on November 23. Interculturalism, cross-cultural collaboration. The popularity of the event aligns with the global K-pop phenomenon, which has grown from a minor genre to a 5 billion industry in the last 5 years. K-pop's takeover of the West also when the seven-member Soul Crew BTS became the first group to play a US stadium at New York City Field. Now, let us discuss the similarities and differences of cultural influences, relationships, and characteristics of Asian arts. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for listening. God bless.